Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I want to show you guys how to actually make these very cute treat cups. So you can give them away as favors, you can put your little goodies in here or whatever you like that would actually fit in this size cup. So you can actually get a pack of these cups from the Dollar Tree. They do have them there. I think I got mine actually from Amazon because I needed a bulk of them, and I actually purchased them with matching lids. But again, if you don't need the lids, you can actually get a stack of these from the Dollar Tree. And then other thing you need are just some stickers. So these actually are in my shop. We actually sell these party cups, but you can use stickers from anywhere. The Dollar Tree actually has stickers. I just purchased some superhero stickers, and I think they had like woodland animals, so it's the raccoon, fox, owl, deer, things like that. They actually had like a boatload of stickers. So you can also purchase stickers on Amazon and Walmart and pretty much anywhere. So whatever theme you have, you can get whatever stickers that match your theme. And then you'll take your cup and take off one of your stickers very carefully so you don't actually rip the sticker. And then you will try to do this. For me, it's easier if I lay the cup down and then actually take the sticker and kind of use my fingers to hold the cup in place, and then just place it in the center like this. So I'll do another one. I'll see if I can try and do it at a different angle so you guys can see a little bit better. Hopefully I'll get it in the right place. Let's see. I think that's about even doing it this way. If it's not, I apologize. I'm doing this backwards. So yeah, it's kind of hard doing it that way. Let me see. Oh, I was lucky. It came out perfect. All right, so that is it, guys. So this is actually a customer's order. I'm actually going to be making these for my son's birthday. He's going to be turning 6, and I'm going to be doing a PJ Masks superhero birthday party. And I think I'm going to make some treat cups, and with PJ Masks the colors are red, blue, and green. So I'm going to try and find little candies or, you know, little treats to actually put in these cups, and then I'll use the lids that I purchased to put on top. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.